This video demonstrates how to use the Total Blue Light Measuring Unit. The Total Blue Light Measuring Unit includes everything you need to demonstrate products that filter UV and harmful blue light. Fully assembled, the unit takes up only 11 by 10 inches of your counter, but you will need to open space in front of the display to measure the lenses and view the results on a tablet screen. Select UV and press 1 to measure the KODAK Total Blue Lens. Place the KODAK Total Blue Lens demo concave in the measuring device. Keep it there. The top green bar shows the percent of UV light blocked by the KODAK Total Blue Lens at 400 nanometers. Select Blue Light and press 1 to demonstrate the next range. The bottom green bar shows the percent of blue light blocked by the KODAK Total Blue Lens at 420 nanometers. Put the KODAK Total Blue Lens aside and pick up the next lens. Place the lens concave in the measuring device. Press the orange 2 button to measure blue light blocked by this lens. Keep the lens in the device. Select UV and press the orange 2 button. You can repeat these steps to measure your patient's current eyewear using the orange 2 buttons. Use this comparison to explain the results of the measurements one at a time. Point to the top 2 bars to explain the importance of blocking UV rays and how the KODAK Total Blue Lens is more effective than the other lens. Next, point to the bottom 2 bars to explain that not all products filter blue light the same. A coating can only block a certain amount, and tinted lenses distort color perception. Hybrid KODAK Total Blue lenses can block up to 80% of the harmful blue light without a tint. Review how many hours of the day the patient views digital device screens and how KODAK Total Blue lenses filter the harmful light from screen, sunlight, and indoor lighting.